The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, DHT22 sensor, connecting wires and connecting cable.
Now we need to download the XAMPP application. Go to this link and from here download the latest version for Windows. Now the XAMPP is downloaded. Now double click this and install the application. Here click next. Here also click next. Here click finish. This is the XAMPP control panel. So here we need to start the Apache and the MySQL service. Click the start button. This is for Apache and this is for MySQL. Now the services are started. Now to test whether the XAMPP is installed successfully, click this admin. It will open the test page. Yes, now this means the installation is successfully completed. Now go to the XAMPP folder and there you can see htdocs folder. Open that and here we need to create the project folder. Click new folder and create the folder name as weather_station. And inside that folder we need to create two files, insert.php and display.php. Now we can write the program for these two files. So the insert.php file is to insert the data into the table, and this is the server name, username, password, and the database name we need to provide here. So the display.php file is to display the output in the web page. So here our database name is ESP_data and the table name is sensor_data. Now we need to create the database and the table. For that, open the web browser and then open localhost/phpMyAdmin. Here we need to log into this phpMyAdmin, then go to database and here we need to create the new database. So our database name is ESP_data. So enter the database name and click on the create button. Now the database is created. Now we need to create the table. For that, go to this SQL menu and this is my table script. Copy this script, paste here and then click on the go button. Now you can see the table is created. Now we need to upload the program to the ESP32 board. This is our program. Here we need to enter the Wi-Fi username and password, and in the server name we need to enter your computer IP. So to find this IP, open command prompt and then type ipconfig. So here we need to enter this IPv4 address here, followed by your project folder. So that is in the XAMPP htdocs we created the project folder weather_station. So that you need to mention here. Then the insert php, so where we wrote the code for insert data into the table. Now to upload the program, go to this drop down. Here the port will be already selected. Click on this edit button if you want to change the board. and search for ESP32 dev module since we are using ESP32 board. Select the board, click OK. Now click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board. Now to check the output, again open the web browser. So here type localhost / your project folder weather_station and the display.php file. And this is our output.